Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devleena and in today's video I have a review for you guys. So today I will be reviewing two products from the brand Scent Botanica. So the first product that I will be reviewing is this one. It is the Robusta Coffee Peel Off Mask. And the second product that I will be reviewing is this one, and it is the Vitamin C Brightening Night Cream. So I have been testing these products and I will be sharing a complete review of both of them with a demo so that you can see how this product actually works on the skin. And without much further ado, let's get started with this particular video. Also, I would really appreciate if you would take a moment and subscribe to my channel. It really motivates me when you hit the subscribe button, so please do so. I will be going one by one. So firstly, let me talk about this particular product. So this is the Robusta Coffee Peel Off Mask. If you don't know what Robusta is actually a variant of coffee, and this is enriched with coffee, caffeine and cocoa butter. Now this one or any Scent Botanica products is actually free from any harmful chemicals. So this doesn't have any parabens, silicone, mineral oil or sulfate, which is a really good thing. Now coming to the pricing of this particular product, this one actually retails for 499 rupees and you get about 100 gram of product in this. Now talking about the key ingredients of this particular coffee mask, मुझे इसका key ingredients बहुत ही अच्छा लगा because I think कि इसके सारे ingredients बहुत ही beneficial है. So I will just read out some of the ingredients. So this has multani mitti in it. It has caffeine, vitamin E, niacinamide, lemon peel, licorice extract, aloe vera. So all of these ingredients are actually really good. So this is not only a peel off mask, but it also claims that it exfoliates your skin as well as it brightens and moisturizes your skin as well, which is a very good thing. And let's go ahead and check out the demo of this particular product. So the packaging looks like this. It comes in a box like this and inside the tube is very pretty like this. And I'll show you an application. So I am just applying a very even layer all over my face. Now you need to take time with this. Now I'll keep it for about half an hour and then I will be peeling it off like so. It peels off really easily. You won't have any problem in peeling this particular one off. And as you can see, it gives me such a bright glow after I have peeled this one off. It looks really good and really glowing. So now as you saw the demo, let's come to the final review of this particular product. I actually really like this particular product and I would really recommend you to try this one out. Now I really like the fact कि ये मेरे face में बहुत ही evenly spread हो गया था. इसको dry होने में थोड़ा सा time लगा था definitely. It will take about 20 to 30 minutes to completely dry. फिर भी मेरे cheeks के यहाँ पे थोड़े से areas में it was not dry, so वो ठीक से peel off नहीं हुए थे. But then when you peel it off, it peels off so easily and आपको कोई भी pain नहीं होगा while peeling this particular thing off, and वो एक ही बार में peel off हो जाता है. ऐसे नहीं होता है कि कुछ peel off mask ऐसे होता है कि ये थोड़ा सा peel होता है फिर वो टूट जाता है. It's not like that. It is completely a very good peel off mask, and after it is peeled off, your skin actually looks so brighter. I was really shocked seeing my skin actually become so brighter and so glowing. Also yes कि ये आपके स्किन को बिल्कुल भी ड्राई नहीं करता है. आपका स्किन फिर भी बहुत सॉफ्ट एंड सपल लगता है. दैट इज समथिंग विच दिस प्रोडक्ट ऑल्सो क्लेम्स कि ये आपके स्किन की मॉइस्चर बैलेंस को भी मेंटेन करता है. सो दैट इज समथिंग गुड एंड इट ऑल्सो सेज दैट इट इज़ मेंट फॉर ऑल स्किन टाइप. सो आप नो मैटर विच एवर स्किन टाइप के हो, दिस विल एक्चुअली सूट यू. So I feel that this is a very good product and you should definitely try this one out. अगर आप कोई भी occasion में जा रहे हैं या कहीं पे जा रहे हैं, definitely आप इसको आधा घंटा पहले लगा लीजिए and just peel it off and your skin will actually feel so bright and so glowing. So talking about the second product is this one. This is the Vitamin C Brightening Night Cream and it comes in a very beautiful jar like this. So this one actually retails for 1199 rupees and you get about 50 gram of product. So again, I think that this is kind of on the expensive side, but I can tell you on the website of Scent Botanica and also on Amazon, you will be getting some amazing deals. So definitely get these on discounts. The key ingredient list of this particular night cream includes vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, shea butter, pure oils and natural extract. And this one is again no animal testing, no paraben, no silicone, no mineral oil and no sulfate. So the cream comes in a very pretty box like this, and inside it's a glass jar, something like this. It's golden in color. It comes with a lid, and inside it is a peachy colored cream. And I just take small quantity and put it all over my face and massage it. And after massaging, it gives a very good glow on my face. Now coming to the final review of this particular product and my views on this, I feel that this is a really good night cream, and if you're looking for a new night cream, you can definitely give this one a try. Now let me go one by one about this particular product so that you can have a good idea whether this is suitable for you or not. So पहले हम लोग इसके स्मेल के बारे में बात करते हैं. The smell of this particular product is very okay. This is not something very different. It is very familiar to something we have used in our past. So I think the smell of this one is okay and it is also not very overpowering. ये आपके फेस पे बहुत देर तक नहीं रहता है. It fades away very quickly. So if you are someone who doesn't like a lot of smell, you can definitely go for this one. So now coming to the texture of this particular product. This product is very lightweight and it also absorbs into your skin really well. आपको बहुत ही कम quantity लगेगा and it evenly spreads on your face and also gives a beautiful glow after you have applied this particular cream. Now if I have to recommend this to a skin type family, then I feel that this is more suitable for normal dry or very dry skin type. I feel कि for oily skin type ये थोड़ा सा heavy हो सकता है. Maybe you can use it in the winter time, but in the summer it might be quite heavy for you. So I won't really recommend this for oily skin type. And also इसके जो ingredient list है वो मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद आए हैं. So niacinamide and vitamin C will actually help to brighten up your skin and remove the unevenness from your skin, and also it reduces the dark spot on your skin. The vitamin E, shea butter and the essential oils in this particular product will actually help to bring back the moisture into your face and also will leave you with very soft, supple and softer looking skin. If you keep on using this one in your nighttime routine, you will be definitely seeing a very good difference on your skin. So yes, if you are looking for a night cream, you should definitely give this one a try if you are from the normal combination or dry skin family. And that's all for the review of both of these products. I hope you guys liked it. If you have any other questions about these products, definitely leave that down in the comment sections down below. Also, I have added all of the product links of this particular product in the description box down below. If you want to purchase it, you can definitely use those links. Do subscribe to my channel before leaving, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.